2025 has just began, and if you're ready to make it the best year of your life, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into the actionable strategies used by real young millionaires like Iman Gadzhi. Strategies that help them break free from the ordinary and achieve extraordinary success at a young age. Let's turn 2025 into the year everything changes for you. First, let's talk about mindset. One thing all young millionaires have in common is their unshakable belief in themselves. Take Iman Gadzhi, for example. He started with nothing, but his mindset was everything. He believed he could build a business and worked relentlessly to make it happen. The key is to adopt a growth mindset. Learn to see challenges as opportunities and failures as lessons. Commit to self-improvement every single day, because success starts from within. Young millionaires don't waste time, they master it. Iman Gadzhi often emphasizes how crucial time management is. In 2025, stop spending hours scrolling through social media or binge-watching Netflix. Instead, prioritize tasks that bring you closer to your goals. Use tools like Google Calendar, Notion, or simple to-do lists to structure your day. And remember, every hour you waste is an hour someone else is using to get ahead. Success isn't about luck, it's about skill. Millionaires like Iman focused on mastering high-income skills, such as digital marketing, copywriting, coding, or sales. In 2025, invest in learning. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and YouTube offer countless free or affordable resources. Pick one skill, get good at it, and monetize it. Remember, in today's world, your skills are your currency. Here's the hard truth. Working a 9-to-5 will rarely make you a millionaire. If you want 2025 to be your breakthrough year, consider starting your own business. Iman Gadzhi made his first fortune through a digital marketing agency. Whether it's an agency, e-commerce store, content creation, or freelancing, the internet gives you unlimited opportunities to build something of your own. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start now and learn as you go. Social media isn't just for entertainment, it's a business tool. Build your personal brand on platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, or YouTube. Share your journey, showcase your expertise, and connect with like-minded individuals. Networking is another non-negotiable. The saying is true: your network is your net worth. Surround yourself with ambitious, successful people who inspire you to level up. Success isn't just about wealth, it's also about health. Iman Gadzhi often talks about the discipline required to maintain both physical and mental well-being. Exercise regularly, eat clean, and get enough sleep. A healthy body fuels a sharp mind. And discipline? It's the bridge between goals and achievement. Make a daily schedule and stick to it. No excuses. Lastly, remember that true success isn't just about personal gain. It's about impact. Millionaires like Iman focus on giving back, whether through mentorship, donations, or creating opportunities for others. In 2025, make it a goal to contribute to something bigger than yourself. It's not just rewarding, it keeps you grounded and focused on what truly matters. 2025 can be the greatest year of your life, but only if you're willing to take action. Adopt the right mindset, master your time, build skills, and start working on your dreams. The next big success story could be you. Are you ready to make it happen? If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what your biggest goal is for 2025. Let's crush this year together.